Welcome to the Bubba Harry Frequency installment. Today's installment is on frequency grounding techniques. In this high-pressure, technology-driven world, many often feel disconnected from nature and themselves. This is where the concept of grounding comes into play. Grounding, also known as earthing, refers to connecting with the Earth's natural frequencies. This connection can be as simple as walking barefoot on grass or sitting under a tree. These are simple, accessible actions that anyone can do, empowering you to take control of your health and well-being. The Earth emits a subtle yet powerful energy that can assist in restoring equilibrium to our bodies and minds. By tapping into these natural frequencies, we can enhance our overall well-being. The significance of grounding lies in its numerous benefits for both mental and physical health. The research regarding grounding is not yet complete. Additional studies are needed to fully understand its potential benefits for reducing stress, improving sleep, and relieving chronic pain. However, there is evidence that grounding reduces inflammation, as shown in this image. There is also evidence to show that grounding improves circulation. This is an image of blood cells before grounding. This image shows the circulation after grounding. The blood cells are no longer clumping together and circulation has returned to normal. When we ground ourselves, we allow the Earth's electrons to flow into our bodies, which can help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. This process not only promotes physical healing but also fosters a sense of calm and clarity, facilitating the management of anxiety and depression. In a world where we are constantly bombarded by electromagnetic fields from our devices, grounding serves as a natural antidote, helping us reconnect with our true selves. As we examine frequency grounding techniques more closely, it's essential to understand that these practices can easily be integrated into our daily lives. Please watch this video until the end for an inspirational quote related to today's installment, and learn how you can access more information about different frequency therapies and technologies that we use. Frequency grounding is a practice that involves connecting with the Earth's natural electromagnetic frequencies to enhance our physical and mental health. These frequencies, often called the Schumann resonance, resonate at approximately 7.83 Hz, believed to be the Earth's heartbeat. The Schumann resonance comprises spectrum peaks in the shallow frequency, ELF, segment of the Earth's electromagnetic field spectrum. By aligning ourselves with these natural frequencies, we can positively influence our energy levels and moods. Many people report feeling more balanced, centered, and energized after spending time in nature or engaging in grounding activities. When we make direct contact with the Earth, whether walking barefoot on grass, lying on the ground, or using grounding devices, our bodies absorb electrons from the Earth's surface. These electrons have antioxidant properties that help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Studies have shown that grounding can lower cortisol to optimize energy levels, enhance sleep quality, and promote overall well-being. This physiological response underscores the importance of frequency grounding as a natural remedy for stress and various health issues. In our modern lifestyle, where technology often dominates our daily routines, reconnecting with nature has never been more crucial. Many of us spend hours indoors, surrounded by electronic devices that emit electromagnetic fields, which can disrupt our natural rhythms. By intentionally incorporating grounding practices into our lives, we can counteract these effects and restore our connection to the Earth. One of the most accessible techniques is walking barefoot on grass, soil, or sand. This practice, often called earthing, allows your body to absorb the Earth's natural electrons, promoting a sense of calm and balance. Grounding is an uncomplicated yet potent practice that facilitates reconnection with the Earth's energy and the centering of one's energy. Engaging in modest activities such as strolling in a park, tending to a garden, or meditating outdoors can help us reconnect with nature and its healing properties, fostering a sense of connection and balance. It's a practice within everyone's reach, empowering you to take control of your health and well-being. In addition to these natural practices, there are also grounding tools designed to facilitate the connection with the Earth's energy. Grounding mats, which are usually made of conductive materials and can be placed under your feet while working, and earthing sheets, which can be used on your bed to ground you while you sleep, are popular options that allow you to experience the benefits of grounding indoors. These products connect to the earth through a grounded outlet or a grounding rod placed in the soil, allowing you to continuously connect to the earth's frequencies, even when you're not outside. Mindfulness practices can further enhance your grounding experience. Engaging in outdoor activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can deepen your connection to nature. As you focus on your breath and the sensations in your body, you can cultivate a heightened awareness of your surroundings. This mindful approach grounds you physically and mentally, helping to reduce stress and promote clarity. Incorporating these techniques into one's daily routine can yield significant benefits for mental and physical health. Whether you walk barefoot, use grounding, or practice mindfulness, each method offers a unique way to reconnect with the earth and enhance your overall well-being. These techniques are accessible to everyone, regardless of their lifestyle or location, ensuring everyone can benefit from the healing power of grounding. In our fast-paced lives, stress can accumulate, leading to anxiety and emotional turmoil. Participating in grounding practices, such as walking barefoot on natural surfaces, can benefit our overall well-being and effectively decrease cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Many individuals report feeling more relaxed and centered after grounding, which can lead to improved mood and emotional stability. This connection to nature not only aids in physical recovery but also boosts overall vitality and energy levels. Athletes, in particular, have found grounding beneficial for recovery after intense workouts. By absorbing the Earth's electrons, they can reduce muscle soreness and accelerate the healing of injuries. Grounding consistently can enhance physical health and recovery, and enhance mental health as well. There are numerous testimonials and studies that confirm the benefits of grounding. For example, a study published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health documented that individuals who practiced grounding experienced reduced pain and improved sleep quality. Many individuals have shared stories of how grounding has transformed their lives, from alleviating chronic pain to enhancing mental clarity. These real-life experiences highlight the profound impact of grounding on overall health. Incorporating grounding techniques into one's daily routine enables individuals to harness the Earth's natural energy and reap its transformative benefits. Integrating grounding techniques into your everyday routine can be a simple yet transformative practice. Consider specific times and places where you can easily engage in grounding activities. Early mornings are an excellent opportunity to step outside and connect with nature before the day gets busy. Whether walking barefoot on the grass in your backyard or taking a stroll in a nearby park, these moments can set a positive tone for your day. Additionally, during breaks at work, try to step outside for a few minutes to breathe in fresh air and feel the ground beneath your feet. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of frequency grounding and its significance for our health and well-being. We can easily integrate grounding into our daily routines by walking barefoot on grass, using grounding tools such as mats and earthing sheets, and incorporating mindfulness practices. The advantages are significant and readily available, ranging from stress reduction and promoting emotional equilibrium to improving physical well-being and recovery. Consistency is vital to fully benefiting from grounding. It is suggested to aim for 30 minutes per day as part of your routine. To help maintain this consistency, consider setting reminders on your phone or creating a grounding calendar to track your progress. If you find this video informative and beneficial, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to our channel to be notified the next time we provide additional information on energy, frequency, and vibration. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and family, who may benefit from connecting with the Earth's natural electromagnetic frequencies to enhance their physical and mental health. Your support helps us expand our reach, raising awareness of the benefits of energy, frequency, and vibration and inspiring others to explore these options for optimal health and well-being. Please refer to the link in the video description for further details on several frequency-based therapeutic options and technology, such as the Spooky2 Rife machine system. Our affiliation with Spooky2, the most advanced and versatile Rife machine system, allows our viewers to find the right frequency therapies through a number of treatment methods and support our channel simultaneously. Please use the link in the description to visit the Spooky2 website. The mission of this channel is to share the following information with as many people as possible. According to the principle of energy, frequency, and vibration, there is untapped potential beyond the law of attraction. By consciously tuning our vibrational state, we can attract positive experiences, improve our health and prosperity, manifest our desired outcomes, and tap into a deeper level of personal power and awareness. This enables us to influence reality through the energy we emit. This installment's inspirational quote: "Anchor yourself in nature's rhythm. With every connection to the earth, you nurture strength, clarity, and a vibrant life." Thank you for watching. We look forward to sharing our next video, in which we will continue exploring the world of energy, frequency, and vibration and our untapped potential waiting to be rediscovered. Please take a look at the disclaimer here. Thank you again for watching.